Hi guys, this is Tarini and you're watching iTarini. So in this video I'm going to be talking about these 3 products from the brand Body Cupid, and also I'm going to be telling you all few tips to make sure that you smell good all day long. So without any further delay, let's start with the video. Now first of all, let's talk about this Body Cupid Pink Lotus Bath and Shower Gel. Now this is how its packaging looks like. I must say guys, I love the packaging of Body Cupid's products. Like, they look super luxurious, yet they are affordable. I just love their packaging. And this is sulfate free and paraben free, and it has essential oil in it. Now this is a 200 ml product. Like, it's actually pretty huge, okay? It's a 200 ml product and it retails for 299 rupees, but you can obviously get this on discount on Amazon. So make sure to check the description box below for its links, and its shelf life is for 2 years. Now let's talk about its fragrance. Now guys, this smells exactly like lotus. This has very mild fragrance, and it's not like that strong and overpowering fragrances which can give you a headache. Like, even if you're sensitive to any fragrances, you can still use this product because it has a very mild fragrance, and that fragrance actually fades off pretty quickly. But it's not like you can't smell that fragrance at all. You can still smell that fragrance, but it's not overpowering, and I'm gonna be including the demo in the later part. So this has a very runny texture like the other body washes, and you don't need a lot of product. Like, I just use like a coin sized product on my loofah, just lather it up, and that covers my entire body, so it lasts you pretty long. And yes, that's about this Pink Lotus Bath and Shower Gel. Now let's talk about my favorite product from these 3, which is the Red Plum Body Butter from Body Cupid. Now this is how its packaging looks like. I've already told you guys, its packaging is just lit. And once you open this product, now this is a transparent jar, and you get it with a golden lid. And this is a 200 ml product, and it retails for 399 rupees, and its shelf life is for 1 year. Now guys, this smells super good. Like, I love its fragrance. You feel like you're actually sniffing a basket full of plums and strawberries. It smells so good and so divine, guys. Like, I just love its fragrance. And talking about its consistency as well, like, now this is the product, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how light it is. Like, just look at it. It's so light. It's super light. Even you can use it even during summers, okay? Like, I'm using this product every single day, and this fragrance lasts for like 5 to 6 hours very easily. Like, just look at it. It has absorbed into my skin completely. This is not like those regular thick body butters which doesn't get absorbed into your skin and which forms a layer on your skin and doesn't get absorbed. No, it's not like that. It has very light texture, and it's very light and creamy. It's absorbed into your skin in no time, and obviously its smell is to die for. Like, if you all want to try any product from this Body Cupid's brand, I highly recommend you guys to try this Red Plum Body Butter. You won't regret it for sure, trust me in this case. And this body butter is free from mineral oils and parabens. Now this also has like premium botanical oils. It also has vitamin C, because plums have high source of vitamin C. This has good amount of vitamin C in it, and this is a great product, guys. You can use it in summers, winters, or be it any season. You can use this product, and it's not like those sticky and greasy body butters which are available in market. It's super good. You love it. Now, do you guys remember in my previous videos I've told you guys that I'm gonna be showing y'all an alternative for the Body Cupid's Rose Out perfume, which is actually travel friendly. Now here comes that alternative. Now this is the Body Cupid's body mist, which is in the variant cucumber and melon. This is obviously not a perfume, but it's a great alternative for a perfume. Like, it comes in a plastic bottle, which is extremely travel friendly. Its cap is also very safely and tightly secured. It's not gonna open up in your purse, and it's not gonna open up in your purse. You need some effort to open it. It's pretty safe and secure. This is a 200 ml product and it retails for 499 rupees, and its shelf life is for 3 years. Like 3 years. Talking about its key ingredients, this is an alcohol based body mist. Like, it has water and alcohol in it, and if you guys suffer with dark underarms problem, then I recommend you guys not to spray this on your underarms. Instead, spray it on the other parts of your body. I also like its nozzle. Like, it's very good, and it distributes right amount of product, and that too very evenly. Like, and talking about its fragrance, I don't know whether you guys remember this or not. Like, when I was in my childhood, I used to eat these bubble gums, which are like, I don't know what they are called. I guess they are called Big Bubble or something. These bubble gums were pink and yellow striped bubble gum. This body mist smells similar to that of that bubble gum. So yeah, it reminded me of my childhood days, which is very good. It has very nice fragrance. I actually like this fragrance. Once you spray this body mist, you can feel like you can feel a bit strong, but after like 5 seconds it slowly starts to fade, and it gets mild after some time. So it's not gonna irritate you that much. Like, I don't like strong and overpowering fragrances, and it gives me headaches. So this is definitely not like that. It's pretty mild, and it lasts for around 3 to 4 hours. Even if this doesn't last that long, what you can do is you can just carry it with yourself and just spritz it all over again. It's very convenient for traveling as well. And the best part about this perfume is that it has a very nice refreshing fragrance. Like, even if you feel very dull, low and all, once you spritz this body mist, you'll instantly feel awake, all pumped up and refreshed. So this is a very nice refreshing body mist, especially for summers, like, because you sweat a lot and it's so hot and humid outside. And if you use such refreshing body mist, you actually feel good. So yes, that's about this product. So yes guys, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to all. And if you know anyone who is in need of such videos, then please do share it with them. And yes, that's it guys. Thank you.